Welcome to day 4 of Pydle, a daily Python puzzle. Today's puzzle is the Pydle logo. So see if you can solve that in as few lines as possible. I can already see a few kind of patterns of threes. You can reuse the same for loop. As promised, I'm going to solve Pydle 3, which was yesterday's puzzle. And we've got a white diagonal line, and then above the line, green cells with a plus, below the line, red cells with a minus. Okay, so let's start our two for loops for row in range 5 and for column in range 5. Okay, so what is the property we need there? So it's basically a row going from 0 to 4. So if the column is less than the row, it should be a red with a minus. If the column is greater than the row, so let's try that quickly. So if column smaller than okay, so Pydle is our function. So R comma C comma. Okay, so this is the red bit, so we need a minus there, and the color is red. Okay, so we need an else if otherwise we're going to fill the diagonal as well. So we do the Pydle row comma column, and this is a plus, green, and then finally we need an else for the y diagonal. Okay, and that is no character and it's white. Okay, let's see if we did that correctly. No, I misspelled green. Okay, green, and we can do these in the shortcut way. Get away with fewer lines because we only have one statement for each condition. So that is still readable. Okay, so I fixed my typo. Let's see what that does. Okay, and that is solved. If you want to learn more about for loops, if statements, go to W3 Schools, and good luck with solving today's Pydle.